Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Satoshi Sean. Glad you're here. First time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Try to get out 2 or 3 videos a week. If it's your very new subscriber, old subscriber, just passing through, please crush the like button. Really helps me out. And throw a comment below. I'll definitely get back with you. I like interacting with you guys. We did not do a weekly update show because Lee from KIFS was on vacation again. It's like every 2 weeks he has to go on vacation, even though there's a pandemic and everything's locked down. Somehow he's able to do that. But he'll be back. He's back now, or just got back. But we'll do another weekly update show this week. So that's coming up. But I wanted to go over a few things because the market has kind of taken a dump, and things are a little crazy. Also, specifically, some of the things that we talk about and that we've been invested in and we're a part of is taking a dump. There's also some cool news with eXchangily. EXG token is up massively. It's almost doubled in the past week or so. So if we've given you some EXG, it's went from 25 cents to I think it's at 40 cents right now. But I think there's some reasons for what's going on that not a lot of people are talking about. So I wanted to go over that. And I do think there's some light at the end of the tunnel. One thing with Divi has been hit pretty hard over the past few days. I think one of the reasons for that is one of the reasons for the beginning of the drop in Bitcoin. Botham or Bithum or whatever you want to call it. It was the last exchange that Divi went on. Big exchange overall. One of the biggest in Asia and the biggest in South Korea. It was raided by the police. There's like 25 million worth of funds that were looked at that were stolen. Whereas it's the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, 24-hour trading volumes over 365 million. Let me see. Police action was apparently linked to a $25 million token sale hosted on Bithum and the proposed acquisition by a Singapore platform, BTHMB, that never materialized. So this is a legitimate, scary thing. Anytime the police get involved with Bitcoin in Asia, it's a huge FUD thing. So I think that started it. Also, this is one of the last changes that Divi went on, which I think this started part of the Bitcoin crumble. Also, someone dumped a lot of Divi. Looks like a platinum node that somebody dumped. I have my suspicions on who it was. So does Lee from KIFS, but we don't know. But that is, I think these two things, the dump and that, are very temporary. Am I worried about Divi? I bought the dip and got another silver node. So no, I'm not. I put like $10,000 into Divi on this last dip, which it's bouncing around. I mean, I bought in at 4 cents. I think it's at 3.9, but it went up to 4.6. So that's one thing about Divi is that the price has been pretty strong at this level. There's a lot of resistance and a lot of support. So I think this is one of the first things that started the big dip. Second is I don't think that the markets are that connected to each other, which I have said before. But let me see if I could fix this. Whoa. So it says the market had a huge dip. The stock market dipped 800 points, the worst day since June, since that big bad day in June. I think that whenever there's a shock like that, it's going to be felt through all markets, which that added to the beginning part of the decline. I think this was like a kind of a perfect storm. That hit, then this. I think that this is going to be part of the bounce because we're going to be looking at a lot of money that's coming out of the stock market that's going into crypto and into gold, silver, other hedges and traditional hedges, and now Bitcoin more of a non-traditional hedge. So that's kind of the second part. The third part is I think that we're in for this new bull run. I think we're moving into a bull market, but I think we're poised for this end of the year bull run. And before that, there's always a pretty sharp dip. And this was a sharp dip. This was by no sense of terms a small dip. This was sharp. This was 20% in a few days that Bitcoin went down, that the market went down. A lot of coins went down even more than that. So I think that this was part of it. I think if you add all three of those together, this is what you got. That's why we're here where we're at. It looks like there's some recovery going on now. I think this was the big pullback, or the last pullback before we start that big move up. I think September might not be that huge, but it'll be steady in growth. I think October is going to be big. November is going to continue, and we'll have that big Christmas bounce. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm hoping for and looking forward to this year. I think we're going to end the year at a really good number for all crypto, all around. You can see Bitcoin. It was pretty dramatic. I mean, we were up over 12,000. We hit 12,040, almost 12,100, and we dipped down to 10,001. So close to $2,000 in a matter of like a day and a half. That's very big. In comparison, if you look at Divi, it held pretty solid against Bitcoin in the same time frame, not losing anywhere near 30%. So I think Divi did very admirable, especially with the Botham fiasco that was going on. Nimiq did about the same. If you look at it through Bitcoin, it actually went up in that time frame. So I'm still very, very positive about what I'm into. Crypto.com Crow is hanging on. It's this last hit, it went down a little bit. It did, but it weathered the first drop pretty good. Dragonchain I think is down to around a nickel, so that is getting hit pretty hard. But I think that's more of a long-term hold for me. I am going to start trading it though and try to increase my my amounts that way. If you disagree with me, let me know. I'm happy with being able to get another few 100,000 Divi cheap before it's kind of out of reach, and being able to start another silver node, putting more into NIM and trying to increase my hold to that. I have a set number that I want to get to, which I'm not anywhere near, but I'm hoping to get there. That's about it for this week. I look forward to seeing you guys in the weekly review show we're going to do this weekend. Please hit me in the comments below. You guys take care. I'll talk to you in the next video.